Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the mitochondria, Golgi apparatus and chloroplast. These are the cell organelles which are very important in the cell. Mitochondria, it is very important organelle of the cell. It is known as powerhouse of the cell because it helps in the generation and storage of the energy in the form of ATP. Mitochondria are visible under light microscope as small shape, sphere or short rod distributed in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria was first discovered by Kolliker and afterward Benda, scientist Benda coined the term mitochondria. After that, the scientist Altman gave that the name, that is bioplast. So mitochondria, bioplast, these are the names or terms used for the mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound organelle which is present in eukaryotic cell only. As I told you, it is called as powerhouse of the cell because it generates the energy in it with the help of some particles. The measurement of the mitochondria is as follows. The length of it is 1 to 2 nanomicrometer. 1 to 2 mu, and the diameter of it is 0.1 to 0.5 nanomicrometer. This is the measurement of mitochondria. Student, आप लोगों ने कैप्सूल देखा होगा. कैप्सूल जो होता है इलिप्टिकल स्ट्रक्चर, जब हम इसका एक लॉन्जिट्यूडनल सेक्शन लेते हैं इस तरह से लॉन्जिट्यूडनली काटने के बाद हमें इसके अंदर का स्ट्रक्चर भी दिखने लग जाता है जो उसकी पूरी लेंथ में होता है. सेम वैसा ही स्ट्रक्चर हम यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं. दिस इज द LS मींस लॉन्जिट्यूडनल सेक्शन ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. As I told you, it is double membrane bound structure. So two membranes are there in it. Outer membrane, बाहर वाली जो बाउंड्री है that is outer membrane. Inner membrane, this is inner membrane, just like this. This is the boundary of any bowl and this is outer covering, just like this. So these are the two membranes, two membrane bound structure. The inner membrane of the mitochondria fold and provide some finger like projection which are called as cristae, just like this. This is outer membrane and inner membrane convert into cristae. You can see here in the diagram, inner membrane has folded and provide finger like projection which are called as cristae. So outer membrane, then inner membrane, there is a space between both the membranes that is called as inner intramembranous chamber. This chamber, or like this, these two membrane, there is a chamber or space between both the membrane. This is intramembranous chamber. Then inner cavity of it is filled with jelly like substance or fluid which is called as matrix. So inner cavity is filled with matrix. Then some particles are attached on this finger like projection. Suppose this is a some specific particles are attached which are called as oxisome, like this. This cristae is responsible for the increasing surface area of the inner cavity of mitochondria. These oxisome, these particles are called as oxisome. These particles are also called as F1 particles. The detailed structure of these F1 particle is like this. They have 3 parts: base, stalk, and head. The base through which it attached with the cristae is called as F0 part, and the head is called as F1 part. In this way, the particles are called as F0, F1 particle. By synthesizing ATP synthetase, they generate energy in the form of ATP. ATP, the full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. This is the energy currency. Only in this form our energy stored in the body, which is required for performing all the vital activities. In this way, mitochondria generate ATP in the form of energy with the help of this F1 particle. That is why it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Rather than mitochondria bears circular DNA in it, through which it can govern its own activity and it can duplicate. And in this way, it can increase in the number if required more energy. That is why it is also called a semi-autonomous organelle. So these were all about the mitochondria. The nickname of mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell. Another organelle of the cell, that is chloroplast. Chloroplast is present only in plant cell and it is absent in animal cell. The function of chloroplast is to synthesize food, means it helps in the photosynthesis. It provides green color to the plant parts, and this green color is due to the chlorophyll which is filled inside the chloroplast. So it bears chlorophyll in it, which are the photosensitive cells, and they trap the solar energy and convert that into chemical energy. With the help of this chemical energy, plant perform photosynthesis and prepare their food. So it is very essential for the photosynthesis. If the chloroplast is absent, plant will not be able to prepare their own food. Is a double membrane bound organelle. As I told you, all the eukaryotic cell bear double membrane bound organelle. So this is present in eukaryotic cell and this is double membrane bound organelle. The outer covering of it is called as outer membrane. Inner membrane is called as, inner covering is called as the inner membrane. In this way, two membranes are there which encloses internal structure. The internal cavity of the chloroplast has the stacks of cavity of the chloroplast हैज द स्टैक ऑफ क्लोरोफिल। क्लोरोप्लास्ट के अंदर की कैविटी जो होती है वो क्लोरोफिल से फील्ड होती है। क्लोरोफिल क्लोरोप्लास्ट के अंदर होता है और ये जो क्लोरोफिल होते हैं ये एक के ऊपर एक ऐसे स्टैक के फॉर्म में अरेंज होते हैं, जैसे सिक्कों को हम एक के ऊपर एक रख देते हैं, लाइक दिस। जैसे कॉइन्स को अगर हम एक के ऊपर एक रख दें तो एक बड़ा स्टैक बन जाता है, इसी तरह से क्लोरोफिल एक के ऊपर एक अरेंज हो जाते हैं। दिस वन स्टैक इज कॉल्ड एज thylakoid. So many thylakoids are there and they are interconnected with each other, and commonly these thylakoids are called as grana. Commonly all the thylakoids are called as grana, and the space, vacant space which is remaining around the grana, that is filled with a fluid that is called as matrix, and this cavity is called as stroma. थाइलेकॉइड्स के आसपास जितनी भी खाली जगह बची होती है क्लोरोप्लास्ट के अंदर, उस कैविटी को हम कहते हैं स्ट्रोमा. सो देयर आर टू इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द क्लोरोप्लास्ट इनसाइड इट, ग्रेना एंड स्ट्रोमा. क्लोरोफिल के जितने भी बंडल्स होते हैं जिनको हम थाइलेकॉइड्स कहते हैं, इस सभी थाइलेकॉइड्स को मिलाकर कॉमनली हम एक टर्म यूज करते हैं, दैट इज ग्रेना. और उसके आसपास बची हुई जो खाली जगह होती है उसको हम कहते हैं स्ट्रोमा. तो फोटोसिंथेसिस की जो मेन रिएक्शन होती है वो ग्रेना में होती है, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का रिडक्शन होकर फूड जब बनता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट, वो स्ट्रोमा में होता है. इन दिस वे द क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज वेरी इसेंशियल फॉर द प्लांट. Same as mitochondria, it has its own DNA. It has its circular DNA. So it can duplicate itself and govern its activity, and that is why it is also called as the semi-autonomous organelle. The function of the chloroplast is to help in photosynthesis to prepare the food. Golgi apparatus is also called as Golgi complex, and it is also called as the dictyosome. Dictyosome. Another name for Golgi apparatus is dictyosome. In animal cell, Golgi apparatus is usually located as a specific site close to the nuclear envelope. So it is abundantly present near the nuclear envelope. न्यूक्लियस के आसपास इनका जो नंबर होता है वो बहुत ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि वहां पर मटेरियल को सिंथेसाइज करने की और एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत ज्यादा होती है. बट इन प्लांट सेल the number of Golgi complex or dictyosome is less, and they are scattered throughout the cytoplasm. साइटोप्लाज्म में बीच बीच में फैले हुए होते हैं और प्लांट सेल में इनका नंबर कम होता है. Golgi apparatus originate from the rough endoplasmic reticulum that has lost its ribosome. Student, do you remember I taught you the structure of endoplasmic reticulum? It is attached with the nuclear envelope and extend to the periphery like this. Endoplasmic reticulum we have discussed in our previous lecture. When this endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosome, they synthesize Golgi protein. That is why it is endomembranous structure which is extended, flattened in the cell. It consists of three structures: cisternae, tubule and vesicle. Golgi apparatus तीन स्ट्रक्चर से बना होता है. एक तो सिस्टर्नी जो कि अपने दोनों एंड पर स्वेलन या फूले हुए होते हैं. ट्यूब्यूल रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो कि कभी कभी ब्रांच भी हो सकते हैं और वेसाइकल जो स्फेरिकल पाउच लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं. So these three structure were combined together with membrane. They form Golgi apparatus. The main function of it to synthesize the material and secrete it inside or outside the cell and transport that from one cell to another cell. So these vesicles are helpful to store or enclose the material which need to be secreted into the another cells. This is the main function of Golgi apparatus. One more important function of it that it produce lysosome. Lysosome also bag-like or pouch-like structure which are generated from the Golgi apparatus.